Good morning, everybody. So this is our daily agenda for Wednesday, March 3rd. Today is evens. Additional reminders, your elective choice form, ladies and gentlemen. If I called out your name yesterday and I will call it out again today, you need to make sure you have that done. Additionally, let's make sure we have our chapter responses and our free writes for chapter 1 through 12 done. So today we are going to be working on our last free write for chapter 12, and then we're going to be having a brief discussion on those chapters, a little bit about the novel too, because we didn't really get a chance to talk about it yesterday. And then you guys will be having your chapter 6 through 12 quiz today, and then we will be going through our chapter 1 through 12 response pages. So we're still working with the novel. The novel has not gone away, ladies and gentlemen. It's just how we're working and talking about it for today. And make sure to have those done. I want to make sure you guys get credit for it. So for our free write today, in Johnny's letter, he tells Pony there's a lot of good in the world. Tell Dally I don't think he knows. What kind of good do you see in our world today? If you could express your ideas to someone like Dally, what would you say? Use details and examples. So some sentence frames for you guys right there is, the good I see in the world is, or every time I see blank, it reminds me of the good in the world. And that blank could be every time I see my family, every time I see my puppy, every time I see a good grade, it reminds me that there's still good in the world, because and why. And I really want you guys to unpack this idea that at this point, Johnny gets the letter Pony gets Johnny's letter after Johnny is dead, and after Dally is dead, and after Bob is dead. So many people have died. The people that he's supposed to tell are already gone. So just unpack that a little bit more with your free writes today. This is our last one, ladies and gentlemen. And then you guys are having your quiz. It's located in Google Classroom. It is the Outsiders 6 through 12 quiz. So just letting you guys know, you have 10 minutes to complete it. It will be multiple choice. Just do your best. And then your chapter response pages say you should have everything from chapter 1 through chapter 12 completed, or should be really close to completing it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm letting you know now. And then our exit ticket discussion. We didn't really get to have our discussion yesterday, but I really want to touch on some of these points. That final line in the novel where Pony's talking about walking into broad daylight out of the movie theater and having two things on his mind, Paul Newsom and a ride home. I want to talk about that. How does that connect to this idea of theme in the novel? Just want to hear you guys talk about that a little bit more today. As always, if you guys have questions or need more help, always reach out to me, Miss Arroyo, and Ms. Reyes. We're here for you guys. I'll see you guys in class.